Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Today we're working on an AC control unit for a 2000 Honda Accord. This would work for the 98 to 2002. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're going to do is make some space. We're going to go ahead and remove our shift knob down to drive 1 to put some space here. Then we're going to go ahead and have access to the bolts on the bottom of this unit. Alright guys, so the next thing we're going to do is remove the digital clock that's on top. Let's go ahead and do that now. So usually we like to use a spatula, a plastic one, so we won't break anything. Then there's some clips on the back of it. Let's go ahead and remove those. So behind the digital clock, there's a screw right there. We're going to go ahead and remove that screw inside the digital clock. Alright, so we were able to remove the whole plastic piece, but there's these those metal clips on the top. Those things were very hard to remove, where you can break this little thin piece on top. So just be very careful. Then from here and back of the unit, we do have 5 screws we need to remove. Once we've removed those 5 screws, this is how the unit comes out.